Hello! So, for today, I would like to show my mini project. It is called Mini Air Conditioner. It is a cool DIY though. So let's start! Firstly, take a plastic container and cut an opening at the exhaust for air to flow out. A water bottle is cut into 3 parts, and the middle part of the water bottle that has been cut will be in use. The middle part of the water bottle that has been cut will be glued to the opening of the plastic container by using a hot glue gun and tip. The fan is glued on the top opening of the plastic container using a hot glue gun. Seal all gaps to avoid any leakage except for the exhaust. Prepare the switch, battery snap connectors, and wires for the soldering process. The red wire is soldered from the fan to the switch, and from the switch to the battery snap connector. The black wire of the fan is soldered to the battery snap connector. The switch is glued on the side of the fan, and the fan is connected to a 9V battery. It is optional. If you want, a small container is attached to the side of the plastic container to place the battery. And lastly, ice is added to the plastic container. Circuit we always start from net positive, and then we go up to the fan and to the switch. And lastly, from the switch, go back to the battery, which is negative. When switching on the switch, the electric current from the battery is giving the magnetic force to the motor in the fan, which contains copper wire, electric iron, and magnet. The magnet exerts a force on a current carrying wire. With the electric current from the battery, the motor will experience a current loop, and the magnet around it will move in rotation. The electric motor takes advantage of the torque on a current loop to change electrical energy to mechanical energy. Thus, the fan can circulate air while the ice that has been placed in the container will produce cool air coming out through the exhaust.